Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen on the watch, you can swipe up from the bottom, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Once you open the menu, you can scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called connections and tap on it. And here, tap on the option called Wi-Fi. Now, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and after a second or two, you should see the list of networks that you're connected to. This is the one we are connected at the moment, And below we have also the list of saved networks, and here we have the networks that are saved. And if you disconnect from this one for some reason, it's gonna reconnect to different ones right here in the saved list. And to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply tap on it, scroll down, tap on forget, and this will disconnect you from the Wi-Fi network. And if you want to, for example, disconnect from the save network, you can scroll down to the save networks list, tap on it, then it's gonna connect to it right here. Then you can tap on it right here, scroll down and tap on forget, like this. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.